All right, tea party. Wave hello. Hi.
It's Caroline's birthday. How old is she? How old is she? One. That's right. One. Are you at Nona's house? Oh, yeah.
Tea party. Caroline's gonna help you set up.
Caroline, you gonna help? She's never had a tea party before, so I don't think she knows what to do.
You gonna explain it to her, Kathleen?
Show her how to stick the pinky out. How do you stick your pinky out? Right? Hold it up. There you go. That's it.
She's coming to your tea party. All right, get her some tea. Give Caroline some tea.
Oh.
She's gonna help you with the spoon.
Let me help you with that. Yeah, see? She'll stir it. Let her do it.
She'll take it and chew it.
All right, tea party.
Yay!
Are you gonna stir? Stir. Like this.
Show her how to stir. There you go. Now give her the spoon.
Hi, Caroline.
How cute is that? How cute are these two little girls?
All right, tea party.
Tea party.
Yay!
Everybody watching me at my